How to buy crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Kraken. So in order to buy crypto on Kraken, first of all, log in into your account. So in my case I'm using a web browser. So if you're using an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So once you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the official web page. So here this is how it's going to look like. Now then, to buy a cryptocurrency, you need to go ahead and select buy crypto at the top of the page, and then you need to select the buy option. So you also need to access the buy option by clicking the buy button on the home page, and on the buy screen a default asset will be selected. So if you like to buy a different asset, click on the asset name. Next, you also need to enter in the exact amount, and while buying or while doing this procedure, make sure that you have added a funds or that you already have a payment method. Once done, click the continue button, and as soon as you do that, you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully bought crypto on Kraken. So in that way you can buy crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.